In this video, I will show you how to fix Apple Intelligence and Siri not speaking out. To get started with fixing this issue, the first step is to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once inside Settings, scroll down until you locate Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on it. Here you'll see several options related to how Siri interacts with you. The next step is crucial. Tap on Siri responses. At this point, you might notice that it's currently set to prefer silent responses. This setting explains why Siri has been quiet when responding. To resolve this issue, simply select Prefer Spoken Responses instead. By making this change, you ensure that Siri will respond verbally rather than silently. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.